Update on the PC build. We've got some soft tubing going out of here, out the back. 4 tubes, right? 2 of them are attached to the radiators on this side and 2 of them onto the top. This is the first piece going in, right up here. This here is the second part going in.
I can do it.
This piece here, this little flow meter, and this final piece are the next ones to go in. Alright, the last insert is this one up to here, and then into our second flow meter, and then back into the CPU. Alright, the tubing is done, and we're going to be hooking up the soft line system to the external coolers soon, because obviously we need them. Yeah, should be getting up and gearing ready to go to fill this thing this evening, at least with the first coolant loop.